Today, we're going to be showing you how to clean a down jacket. There's lots of different opinions on how to do this, and our way does not include these. My name's Dan Etheridge, and I'm an adventure director of photography and producer. I'm lucky enough to have spent an incredible amount of time with some amazing mountaineers in some of the most hostile environments around the world. One of my most important pieces of kit is a down jacket. And today we're going to show you exactly how to clean this without ruining it. Goose feathers are one of the best insulators for clothing that you could ever hope for. The thing is that feathers are delicate, and over time those feathers can get crushed and they can lose their oil. The oil can seep out and you can get dark patches on your jacket. And your jacket can lose its loft, its puffiness, your jacket gets flatter and you get colder. There's lots of differing opinions on how to wash a jacket like this. We're going to show you a method which is not on the label. Here's the good news. Out of the jackets, sometimes these bigger jackets, when you're wearing a lot of underlayers, fleeces, smaller jackets underneath, then you can go for years without having to wash one of these things. If the jacket's a little smaller, something a little more technical where you can actually ride your bike, do some climbing and stuff like that, then the inside of your jacket is going to get a bit over time. So prevention is better than the cure. You can get rid of these and get yourself one of these. This is Ecover, and this is the Surface Cleaner Multi-Action Lemongrass and Orange. Actually smells delicious. Inside here is some grease and oil busting liquid. It contains a plant-based agent that cuts through the grease and grime and washes away with minimal water. Once you've filled your bottle up to around 1/5 of Ecover, about a shot or a shot and a half's worth, and then fill it to the top, you have about 1 in 5 parts Ecover to water. When you're ready to go, turn your jacket inside out, hang it up somewhere, give it a light misting all over, but not to the point where it gets saturated. Get your brush and just lightly brush the inside of the jacket. Then using a soft brush, you can gently remove the solution without damaging the jacket's surface. Once you're done, let it dry fully, either outside, hanging in a tree, or on your radiator, and then you'll be good to go. The idea is that you never have to actually wash your jacket at all. You just clean it and maintain it. It can increase the lifespan of your jacket so you can stay warmer for longer. Not only is this method cost effective and eco-friendly, you can do it anywhere, which is great if you're out and about on your next adventure. For loads more tips and tricks and adventure content, please subscribe and hit the like button.